can access each other's knowledge. There's no more time. You need to run.
Tell me what happened in...
The only thing more powerful than me.
We're lost.
We may not be.
Who are you? We should figure out how to get it under control. Something is coming.
I am...
We should figure out how to get it under control.
Netflix is packed with mind-bending sci-fi worlds and unforgettable stories. Today, we are counting down the top 10 best sci-fi TV series, from futuristic thriller to epic adventure that put imagination to the limit. Let's dive in. Number 20. Three-Body Problem. A young astrophysicist choices during China's Cultural Revolution triggers a series of events that forces scientists and a detective to confront an existential alien threat. The story blends sci-fi, mystery, and global stakes, exploring humanity's courage, ingenuity, and response to its greatest danger. Number 19. Snowpiercer. Years after Earth freezes, the last survivors live aboard a massive train circling the planet. As rigid class divisions spark rebellion, passengers fight for justice and survival. The story blends sci-fi, suspense, and social conflict, exploring power, inequality, and humanity's struggle to endure at the end of the world. At number 18. Stranger Things. In Hawkins, Indiana, a boy goes missing, revealing a secret experiment in a parallel dimension called the Upside Down. Friends and family confront strange creatures and dark forces. The story blends sci-fi, horror, and mystery, exploring friendship, courage, and the fight against unknown terrors. At number 17. 1899. To the immigrants traveling to America abroad, a mysterious ship encounter, strange occurrences, unexplainable events, and hidden secrets among the passengers. As tension rises, they must confront dark truths and a deeper sinister force lurking on board. The story blends mystery, horror, and psychological drama, exploring fear, deception, and survival in the unknown. At number 16. Rising Dawn. After her husband's death, a single mother discovers her young son has extraordinary powers. As she struggles to keep him safe and hidden, mysterious forces begin to close in. The story blends family drama and sci-fi, exploring partnerhood, identity, and learning to control power in a dangerous world. At number 15. The Umbrella Academy. Strange siblings with extraordinary abilities reunite after their father's death. Facing personal conflicts and hidden secrets, they must unite to stop a looming apocalypse. The story blends superhero action, mystery, and family drama, exploring loyalty, identity, and the cost of saving the world. At number 14. Altered Carbon. In a future where human consciousness can be transferred between bodies, ex-soldier T.C. Kovacs is resurrected to solve a rich man's murder. As he uncovers corruption, conspiracies, and dark secrets, he confronts the moral cost of immortality. The story blends sci-fi, mystery, and action, exploring identity, power, and the consequences of living forever. Number 13. Lost in Space. The Robinson family is stranded on a hostile alien planet after their ship veers off course, facing environmental hazard, mysterious creature, and internal conflicts. They must rely on each other to survive. The story blends sci-fi, adventure, and family drama, exploring resilience, teamwork, and the fight to find hope in an unknown world. At number 12, Shadow and Bone. In a war-torn world divided by a deadly shadow barrier, orphan mapmaker Alina Starko discovers a rare power that could change everything. Pulled into a dangerous world of magic and politics, she becomes the key to saving her country. The story blends fantasy, mystery, and adventure, exploring destiny, power, and the cost of hope. At number 11, Sense8. Eight strangers across the globe suddenly become mentally and emotionally linked, sharing skills, knowledge, and feelings. As a secret organization hunts them, they must unite to survive while understanding their extraordinary connection. The story blends sci-fi, action, and drama, exploring identity, empathy, and the power of human connection. At number 10, Into the Night. When a mysterious cosmic event causes the sun to become badly, passengers aboard a hijacked plane must stay in darkness to survive. As fear and chaos rise, alliances form and secrets are revealed. The story blends sci-fi, suspense, and drama, exploring survival, human nature, and the desperate fight against an unstoppable threat.